Everyone is on the social web, but why no one's follow your account? Why you would not able to generate traffic to your social profile? Well, everything's about to change now. Hi everyone, my name is Daulat Hussain. I'm a data analysis and content producer at Get Support. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 biggest mistakes which you guys are making, and because of that you are not growing on your social profile. I'm going to highlight each and every component of those mistakes, that why you should not do that if you are doing it, and that will help you to grow your social profile across the web. Before I start with these tactics, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and follow. Do whatever you want, so whenever we put content like this on this channel, you get notified and you learn these important marketing tips which help you to grow your social profile across the web. The first biggest mistake you need to avoid: putting content very often across all the social media platform. Everyone's belief, if you want to do well across the social web, in all those social media channels, then you have to put content very consistently and 10 to 5 posts a day. That will give you a better interaction and visibility to your followers. Well, that might work for Twitter, but if you talk about the other social media platform like Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, it might be overwhelming to your followers, and there might be a high probability that you're not going to do well across those channels. Reason: because when you start your social media account, what happened on that time, you have a very limited amount of followers. So if you start putting content and giving a lot of information to your followers, what will happen? Guess, they will get overwhelmed with information and they will not going to have interest on your content, because you are posting 10 and 5 times a day. And guess what will happen? They start ignoring it and you will not get any engagement, like, share. So try posting once a day. So here I'm not talking about the live videos, stories. You can post as many as you can, but when it's come to putting content into your feed, I'm talking about image, video, status update. When you post into your feed, you have to be very conscious about your content, and the content has to be amazing, which drives you engagement on your social profile, and more people will follow you because you are putting interesting and amazing content. The second biggest mistake you need to avoid is putting mediocre content. So now you know that you have to post once a day. So try to create amazing content that will help you to drive a lot of traffic and create engagement again to your social profile. If you put mediocre content, what will happen? People not going to like it and they're not going to engage with your content. Ultimately, your effort is going to be waste. So try to create amazing content. Think in this way: if you post content which is a mediocre, but you think it's a great content, and guess what? You are not getting engagement on that content. No one's like to share, comment and follow. If you have ever been to this kind of situation, leave a comment below with yes, or if not, then say no. Then what need to be done in such situation when you are struggling with perfect content? How would you know that what is the perfect content for your space? So I would like to tell you, think in this way. Suppose you have a content which is very amazing. You think this content has a chance of going viral and you would love to share with your friends and families. Or if you see the kind of content on the social web, you would definitely love to share and engage. Those type of content has a very high probability of going viral. But if you create a mediocre content and you have a doubt that this content is going to do well on social web or not, then I want to tell you one thing, that you are right, you're not going to do well. Your content is not going to do well on the social web. So don't be confused. Just go to BuzzSumo. It's an amazing tool. Put your industry keywords and hit the enter button. BuzzSumo will tell you that what is popular across all the social media platform in respect of your industry. So you need to use these tools, BuzzSumo and Socially. These are amazing tools which help you to create amazing content within your industry space. You can pick the topic which is already popular in your industry and you start creating content around it, and that will help you, and you would able to provide content what your followers are looking for, and in that way you will able to have more followers and more engagement on your posts. The third mistake people are making, they are not leveraging video content. Video content is going to be the future, definitely. Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. These all big players are craving for video content and they want your attention to create more video content on their platform. More so than even live TV. I'm talking about, you know, that big LCD TV? Technically, you don't have those LCD TV right now. They all are gone thin and you can easily put on the wall. But you get the point. Social sites are craving for video content and they want you to produce more video content and upload on their social platform. They want you to keep on their platform rather than sending to any news channels for sports, news, anything like that. And because of that, they brought all sort of features within the platform which you can use it and leverage more video content. So whenever you upload a video content across any social media platform, what happened? Guess? You will get more interaction, more share, more comment and more engagement rather than posting an image, text and normal status update on your social profile on every channel. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like, share and follow. I hope to see you in the next lesson where I will share this kind of marketing tips with you which help you to grow across the social web.